In a tragic turn of events, an overnight attack on an American base in eastern Syria has claimed the lives of 5 fighters from the Kurdish led Syrian Democratic Forces, as reported by the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights on Monday, February 5th. The attack, orchestrated by a drone, targeted the Al Omar oil field, the largest US led coalition base in Syria. Rami Abdel Rahman, the head of the observatory, stated that 5 members of the SDF Special Forces lost their lives, with approximately 20 others sustaining injuries in the assault. Claiming responsibility for the attack, the Islamic Resistance in Iraq, a loose alliance of pro-Iran fighters opposed to US support for Israel in Gaza, asserted that the drone strikes was directed against the US occupation base in the Al Omar oil field. This incident marks the first attack by pro-Iran groups on American bases following the US strikes on Syria and Iraq last week. The observatory had previously reported at least 29 pro-Iran fighters killed in the US strikes in Syria. In response to the drone attack on an American base in Jordan on January 28, which claimed 3 US soldiers' lives, the US conducted unilateral strikes on Iran-linked targets in Syria and Iraq. The US has expressed its intent to continue with retaliatory measures. As tensions escalate in the region, the situation remains fluid and the repercussions of these attacks unfold against the backdrop of ongoing geopolitical complexities.